Good morning, Jordan Opa. If you weekend a basa, now to say yes. If you have a bisujina when I saw the idea, Morta Guinness and program be a course over the weekend. You used to hear Morta Guinness Adom. I'm okay, one of pay now. Yet and some idea, bro. And of course, bed power. And so okay, I want to yet I can see when some bro bedroom. So Dance World Services, banner cleaning service, Dance World. And so no matter the cleaning, okay, move fee office, baby. Yeah, when Dance World and Chin come on, me number to grad the amount show no course. Sergio Manuel Bernard Paddy Butre. I'm your producers, Kejuan Cassani, Erica Siedu, Besha said a few so course. So the round of 16 games, biggest surprise, Italy. You know, at their Fimba. Spain, winning England, had to leave it late. But we need 2-1 after extra time. And for to say yes, results of course over the weekend interesting. But Yanko games name na for you ready and and so a course so in the various games over the weekend. It's your one qualified they come and to say yes. Spain and England in the next round of matches, England and Switzerland the quarterfinals. England versus Switzerland. Then of course it will be Spain and Germany in the quarterfinal. And the games near France and Belgium, not finished in Portugal and Slovenia. And so they are winning that game see and so back corner. If you want to copy more and from more the Ghana Football Awards, Sunny Nano ne we catch a munane a boom more said password and pa so you really know that the ultimate Mohamed Kudus and Kwambia Sono Wajia Basobodi as the player of the year. Yanko Pimo Jumadina say.
Ladies and gentlemen, to help with the presentation of the main award of the evening, which will be the Footballer of the Year, I'd like to welcome up here on the stage Executive Director of AE Media, who are organizers of the Ghana Football Awards, Mrs. Anita Nadia Atta, and she will be ably supported by our guest of honor, the Minister for Youth and Sports, who's also a Member of Parliament. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome them with a big round of applause.
Good evening to you all once again. I would like to thank everyone who left their time and come here to experience these amazing awards. And I would want to use this opportunity to give thanks to everyone who put in effort to make sure this nice event happened today. I'm happy to be named as the Player of the Year. It's a testament of my hard work from my teammates, my family. And before I continue, I would like Fatau to be in front of me here. I would like to thank Fatau for coming here to support, even though he's part of the nominees as well. As part of the new generation, one of my aims is to increase the unity and the love between us. And this season, in as much as we are competing for the award, it's a very healthy competition, and then he has pushed me a lot this season, and I've pushed him a lot too. I've told him this already, but in front of everyone, I want to use this opportunity to tell him how proud I am of his journey and how far he has come and what he has done this season at Leicester. And this is a source of motivation for me and him and all the upcoming players coming up. And there has been a lot of legends here. I can't mention names, but I want to use this opportunity to thank all of them, because everything they have done in the past years has paved the way for us, the young ones, to get here today. So our responsibility is also pave the way even clearer for the upcoming ones and then pass the torch backwards. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice evening.
Mohamed, the Footballer of the Year, one of the likes of Fishaku, the likes of Iñaki Williams, Muina Namo Prosman Bukari, and so Obomuna Ejia Basobodi, and Obafia Emmanuel Kayeke, and Yabona Basso as the best player at Owofi.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Emmanuel Kayeke of Summerboy Summertay.
Kayeke, we are saying the sanity, or Koroko and Fat. And Summerboy or Timmy LED as captain, the Omaji Kenyan Premier League born home modern ye pa na on the best player about if footballers ni nyina ti and on it as awards be break course coach of the year ni ade nyina na be kabom na mo sene esi ekọ entita mochuku kra ni ade and of course Morta Guinness some can one opinion in some bro Morta Guinness obenom ensa obenom drink bi ewo o program ase obe yusu drink bi o program ase a Morta Guinness tell bia fashion fridge no bi besrawa we yesterday no hu so ye guy Morta Guinness now yenko pimo we boxing and Bahubali ni Soldier Boy we bout ye hu de we fi ya IT Power Promotions no sa bout na say and Freezy McBones mu nyina akwaje omudin wase na but the main bout no Soldier Boy and Bahubali no yanwie that's gidi kakra ba ye ni ba won so na referee na ira ya hwe referee no friend phones na dum na se pon Yankobukum boxing arena.
Soldier is giving Bahubali a hell of a time, and look at that combination. And Bahubali is a counter. Soldier in trouble, and Soldier will also retreat and hold his guard. And two boxers know, I must say, they are giving the fans here something to cheer about. I'm not surprised. Look at the uppercut from Soldier. Uppercut from Soldier, and it's amazing that this guy is exhibiting his prowess. And once again, and Jonathan is also watching with us. Jonathan, tell me your view.
Also interesting fight because utumuse Soldier Boy no onya rhythm no na the jabs no so called accurate ba this is no for me no or score
and two boxers, a left hook from Soldier and Bahubali, his leg buggled. I don't know if you saw it. And while Lucky was on the motors, and both boxers will go on the ropes. And referee Roger Bano steps in quickly, and somebody will say Bahubali have been saved by the bell. I believe the soldiers are in the ring to calm things down. And supporters need be held to show Eba Park and so and mihu bottles omunyai it is not good. I think it won't help matters.
Fight no amechon onani e na agbafio but inyemi call fans and talk but na amechon na make fit fight they didn't call for a change of gloves. It was the referee ni football sorry boxing rules me keji okeboko no ni tafla chemo headbo allo e moko ke bashpom ni you decide ake e moko allo headbo wo no don about the club winner on mi she referee e na ake all gloves e gba ele no ni ba je gloves e mi ba hwe mo ingbe mi on mi she no akeji be ring em na me yo be shia be mi she can knock down ba ni mo gbe she ke etehie achumo gloves e hanle because asumo ne kole shia lo noko baba ne kole ba hwe opponent e ingbe mi alo bo ingbe mi alo damage ko baba e ya ke boss na no mo no boss for a lifetime.
Right, and change some some best shadow bout na say the BPM so yemfa and camel cry and also ask one no anya some keto cry na ye hwede mo say ye benya countryman songo e wa homane so but yensa and me an canon say dem fidie na ye adwumanti no ka hwede so sa efa emma me and ye begina so na ye de yesi but sponsors say Sergio Manu Bernard Paribotwe I me producers Kejo Rankasa ne Erica Siedu Body.